Mágin Moy, good morning. Shaw Breach, this is Breach, August Shaw, Irish language teacher, and this is Irish language teacher. The Irish language lessons that are based on initially the Irish language phrase card, which you'll find on the Irish language teacher Facebook page. So today we're going to continue. We're going to move on to the flip side of the card, which starts off with feelings. So this is the lesson around feelings. So you're going to hear the words a lot, which means on me. So that means that we talk about feelings as if they were on us. So like wearing a hat, it's on you. So you're wearing your feelings like you wear a hat. So um, let's go through the feelings and you will hear the ones that have as part of the phrase. So we'll start off with I am well. Tá mé go moy. And as we know, you can also hear that word moy as ma. So tá mé go moy or tá mé go ma. I am happy. Tá mé sásta. Tá mé sásta. I am sad. Tá mé bronach or tá bron I am tired. Tá mé tuirseach or tá tuirse I would like a cup of tea. Bhawaith lum cupán te. I am thirsty. Tá tart Tá tart I am hungry. Tá ocras Tá ocras I would like a glass of water. Bhawaith lum glina ishka. Bhawaith lum glina ishka. And finally, the last phrase in that section, for some reason, is I don't know. Ní higam. Ní higam. So that will give you an introduction to feelings, and maybe if you're not feeling the best, you could ask for your cup of tea or a glass of water in there as well. Okay, slán go bhfuil.